In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix access denied website in Google Chrome if you're suddenly blocked from a site you normally use. Don't worry, this walkthrough will help you quickly diagnose and resolve the most common causes. Start with the simplest checks. Refresh the page and make sure the web address is typed correctly. A small typo or an old cached redirect can trigger an access error, so a quick reload often clears it up. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. In the window that appears, set the time range to all time. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This removes outdated site information that can conflict with current permissions. Note that you may be signed out of sites and need to log in again. If the error persists, check your extensions. In the address bar, type Chrome/extensions, or open the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. Toggle off all extensions to see if one is interfering. Try the site again. If it works, re-enable your extensions one by one to find the culprit and leave that one disabled or update it. Now, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy you're using. These services can route your traffic through locations or networks that a site doesn't trust. Turn them off, then reload the page to test. If you're on a work or school network, there may be a managed proxy you can't change, so testing on a different network can help. Let's continue with general troubleshooting. Restart Chrome, and if that doesn't help, restart your computer. Temporary glitches and locked files often clear on reboot. Make sure Chrome is up to date by opening the menu, selecting Help, then About Google Chrome. If an update is available, install it and relaunch. Check your internet connection by visiting a few other websites. If everything else loads fine, the issue is likely specific to the site or to Chrome. Review your antivirus or firewall settings as well. Some security tools can block particular domains, or scanning rules can interfere. If you see a web protection feature targeting the site, adjust the setting to allow it. Try the same site in a different browser. If it works there, you've confirmed the problem is Chrome-specific. Finally, if nothing has resolved it, reset Chrome to its default settings. Open Settings. Choose Reset Settings. Then restore settings to their original defaults, and confirm. This disables extensions and clears temporary data, but your bookmarks and saved passwords are preserved. After the reset, test the site again.